guys, what is up? It's Elena back with another video helping you design to grow online. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 6 things you must do before starting a YouTube channel. What I wish I'd known and done before starting. And stay tuned till the end of the video to hear the single most surprising thing that you absolutely should not do. First, decide on a channel name. If you can't think of any you like or you're not sure about your channel topic yet, just use your own name. Your real name, your nickname, your first, middle, or last name, doesn't really matter. Just know that what you choose will represent your brand. Second, pick a specific niche right off the bat. If you really aren't sure yet what you want to do, start by picking 3 main topics. You can always narrow it down in the future, so don't stress. It is true though that the more you can narrow it down, the faster your channel is likely to grow. The reason why is because the YouTube algorithm will pick up not just your videos, but your channel as a whole, and recommend it to more people it knows are interested in that niche. Also, viewers are much more likely to subscribe when they see that not just a few, but most of your videos do interest them and may be useful to them. Niching down is also the best way to begin establishing yourself on the YouTube platform as an authority figure or expert in that niche. And remember to pick a niche you really truly love to avoid burnout in the future. Third, start making a list of video ideas. Keep an ongoing list of video ideas on your phone that you can add to anytime you get an idea. And honestly, if you have a hard time coming up with any video ideas at all, this may not be the career or hobby for you. Video ideas should come to you pretty easily if you're genuinely excited and passionate about creating and sharing online. But if you really do need help, just search YouTube video ideas, and you'll find tons of videos listing off popular video topics. Fourth, set up your channel with cohesive branding under the Customization tab in your YouTube studio. Most importantly, this means your profile image and channel banner look professional, and establish the look and feel of upcoming content and thumbnail designs moving forward. Also, take a look at some other YouTubers' channels in your same niche to get some ideas and inspiration. Fifth, and something I wish I'd done a much better job on, is defining a solid upload schedule that you know you can commit to each and every week. You want to try to push yourself while still being realistic. I recommend committing to at least 1 video a week. If you know you can do more without burning out, then go ahead. And you need to pick a specific day and time for your videos to go live. And YouTube actually has a really cool feature where you can schedule your videos ahead of time to go live at your normal day and time. This enables you to make a bunch of videos ahead of time if you need to, and then schedule them to go live at your normal day and time. And of course, it's okay to change your schedule in the future if you need to. The most important thing is showing your viewers and the algorithm that you are committed and dependable on the platform. Not to mention that keeping a schedule also just helps to keep your own life more organized and efficient. The 6th thing that I really wish I had done is invest in some kind of iPhone microphone and an iPhone stand. I film on an iPhone 7, which is fine for visuals, but terrible for audio. Studies show that an audience is much more forgiving of low quality visuals than bad audio. So investing in an easy plug-in iPhone mic was a no-brainer for me. I also bought a super simple iPhone stand with a ring light attached. This has been really great for holding my iPhone steady and for adding some much needed light. I'm really happy with both of these purchases so far, and I highly recommend them to anyone else who may be starting filming on their iPhone. I'll link both of these products down below in the description for you guys to check out. And now for the single most surprising thing that you absolutely should not do. Do not make an intro. I really wish I'd known this early on, and it might sound crazy, but honestly, intros are a huge annoyance to viewers. Even an intro under 10 seconds may cause a viewer to click off of your video. You might feel like you have to do an intro, and by all means, do whatever you want. But I'm telling you that at some point you're going to realize that it is not helping and you're going to get rid of it altogether. Now, I am not talking about getting rid of the greeting in the beginning of your video where you say, "Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel." I'm talking about the intros that have motion graphics whizzing all around and music blasting in your ears, all to reveal the name of your channel. Which, by the way, we already know. We already know because we can see it right there. We see it when we click on the video. Now, for some final words of advice. Before starting your YouTube channel, please do tell all your friends and family about your new business venture / hobby. This is a really exciting time for you, and it's something that you should be proud of. Telling your friends and family will not only help to hold you accountable and follow through, but it can also be a great way to single out all the people in your life who aren't really supportive or maybe don't have your best interests at heart. Eliminate all the naysayers and unsupportive people from your life, because you really will need all the support and positivity you can get during this time. I also advise you to take it seriously. Treat YouTube like a fun job you get to do from home, even if it's not earning you any money yet. And please mentally prepare yourself for nothing to happen right away. YouTube growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady wins the race. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you in the comments down below or over on Instagram. Have an amazing week. Bye, guys.